The thing that sets Gnowbe apart from other online course creators is the way that it lets you create interactive, group-based learning experiences. Watch the following product demo to learn more. So let me show you an example here of an online course. Now everything you create is designed to be mobile first. This is the desktop version, but it's really optimized for mobile. So your learners can go through their courses wherever they are on the go, which is really amazing. So here's an example. When they click on the course, you'll see that it's organized into basically like chapters, right? And within each chapter, you have all of these pages. So let's look at the first chapter. And as your learner goes through it, you'll see that it's a very clean interface, and it's designed around this concept of micro-learning, which is bite-sized pieces. And this is really just based in best learning practices, that people learn best in small bite-sized pieces. And the coolest part is that as they begin to go through it, you'll see that it's not just content, but there's actually opportunities for them to interact. So on this next one here, you'll see that there's a short answer question. So as your learners type their answers, they have the opportunity for short answers to share their answer to the group. And this is really cool because once they choose to do that, and this is optional, they don't have to share it, but if they want to, they can then see the group wall, which takes in the answers of every learner that's going through that together. And this really creates an environment where people can then begin to learn from each other, connect. You can see what everybody else said to this question. You can like and comment and really begin to build a community around the learning and around your content. And depending on how you run your online course, you can either put people in small groups of people that know each other, or you can just do a public group of everybody that's purchased the course and is going through it together. But that's a really cool, unique feature that is unique to Gnowbe. So let me just show you here the editor real quick, and just some of the other ways that you can make your content really interactive and engaging. So when you are building your course, the way you do this is you just keep adding new, basically slides. We call these actions. So you just keep adding new ones, and then once you're done with that session, you just click Add Session to make a new chapter, and then again, you build out the pages within that. So when you click to add a new action, you have all of these options. So you can add a video, and this one you can upload videos. You can even record videos right here within the platform, which makes it really easy. You can add text, you can add images and audio files, polls and multiple choice questions. These are really fun, especially because the polls are taken just from the group that is going through this content together. You can have your learners upload files, and this one's really cool. You can have your learners upload photos or videos. So if you want to do something like take a selfie of yourself and upload it, they would just click this button, take a selfie. Or upload a video of you doing a practice sales pitch or something like that. They can do that. So this adds a really cool, unique way to begin to interact with and engage your learners. You can add web links like YouTube videos, other websites, puzzles, short answer questions. So there's so many different ways that you can engage and interact with your learners, which makes Gnowbe really unique as a platform for creating your next online course. Let me show you one other thing. So once you're done with your course and you click publish, I'm going to show you a sample site of how you can sell these programs. So this is a group that's used it. They basically have their own website that they build on Squarespace or whatever. And what they've done is for the programs they created, you just get the link from your program and then add it to a button on your website. So you can get a free link. So this one they did a free trial, which they just made a free program and linked that here. So if the learner clicks on this and you're not selling it, you just want to direct them to the program, just get the link to the program, they click on it, and it just opens the program. They need to make a free account in Gnowbe, but once they do so, the program just opens up, they click Start Now and start to go through it. If you want to sell it on the dashboard, so you'll just click on the dashboard, go to Shop, connect your Stripe, set the price, and then you'll get a link to the program for that price. Once you get that link, you just go to your button and put that link. And when they click buy now, whatever price you set it to, they'll just fill out the information here, click pay now, then they'll get access to the program. So there's a bunch of different ways you can do it. Some other fun things you can do with your program as well is there's kind of 3 different ways you can run your online courses. You can run it in a cohort style where you have people sign up and they all start the program on one date, and then you unlock the sessions weekly or daily or however you want to structure it. And then that group goes through it for that set amount of time, and then at the end, it's done. So that's one way you can do it, where you have a specific group for the people that signed up, or you added them for that set amount of time. Or you can do it like I just showed you, where you just send the link, they buy it, they go through it in their own time, and they're just added to the group of everybody that is going through it at that time. Or another way you can do it is sell your program for somebody else to facilitate for their group. So there's lots of different ways you can run your online courses. And if you have any other questions, feel free to contact us, reach out, but we really hope that you enjoy Gnowbe and use it for your next online course. Bye.